High on the slopes of Mount Parnassus in Greece is a site that was once considered to be the center of the world, a place where the gods whispered the future. Welcome back to Ancient Site Sunday. Today we are going to Delphi, the sanctuary of Apollo. According to Greek mythology, Zeus released two eagles on opposite ends of the world, and they met at Delphi, the quote, navel of the earth. Delphi was no ordinary city. It was the gateway to divine knowledge. At the heart of Delphi was the oracle, otherwise known as the Pythia. The Pythia was a high priestess who would sit in a trance and channel the god Apollo to answer questions that people would bring her for advice and guidance. Some of the most powerful leaders of the ancient world sought her counsel, including Alexander the Great. You could reach the temple of Apollo by walking along the sacred way that was once lined with treasures housing the offerings of different major Greek city-states, such as Athens, Corinth, and Thebes. Of course, you had to purify yourself at the Castalian spring first, though. Then, once you reached the temple of Apollo, the oracle or Pythia would provide for you a prophecy. Above the temple of Apollo is the theater of Delphi with a view fit for the gods. And of course, there is also the Tholos, a circular temple that was part of the sanctuary of Athena Pronea. This is the temple that visitors to Delphi would first meet if they were coming on foot from the Eastern Road. Hence the name Pronea, which means the one before. Delphi was a political and spiritual powerhouse for over 1,000 years. But it was also this neutral ground where city-states sought divine guidance and displayed their wealth. Delphi was a sanctuary where prophecy, politics, and power all converged. And if you listen hard enough, you might still hear the echoes of Apollo whispering through the stones.